Okay, differentiation, the product rule. So we're asked to find the derivative for the function that's shown. So we're going to use the product rule. So the first thing I want to do is set our the two functions. So I'm going to let this be, I'm going to work backwards here. So this is going to be my g of x and this is going to be my h of x. So I'm going to write it out here. So g of x, so 2x6 minus 5x cubed, and h of x is going to be 3x to the 4 plus 7x squared. So if I take the derivative of g, this is going to be 12x to the 5 minus 15x squared. And if I take the derivative of h, this will be 12x cubed plus 14x. So if I use the product rule tells me that to find, so I want to find the derivative of f. So I'm going to do the derivative of g multiplied by h of x. And then this is going to be plus, so I'm going to say the g multiplied by the derivative of h. Right, so g, what do we have for g? The derivative, we have 12x to the 5 minus 15x squared. And then this is going to be multiplied by h. So h original is going to be 3x4 plus 7x squared. And then we're going to plus, so the normal, so our g of x, 2x6 minus 5x cubed. And this is going to be multiplied by the derivative of h, which is going to be 12x cubed plus 14x. So now we need to expand these. So if we take our first bracket here, so we're going to do 12 times 3. So we'll multiply our 12 times 3. So this is going to be 36. So we'll have 36x to the 9 if we add our powers. And then 12 times 7. So that's going to be 84. So 84 if we add our powers to the 7. And then 15 multiplied by 3. So this is going to be minus 45x to the 6. And then minus 15 multiplied by plus 7. So this is going to be minus 105 and x to the 4. So this is our first. So let me just make that a bit smaller so we can fit it in. And a 6. Okay. So now if we look at our second bracket, so we've got 2 times 12, so it's 24. So 24. So let's just separate these a second. So we have 24x to the 9. And then 2 multiplied by 14. So this is going to be plus 28. And this is x to the 7 if we add the powers. And minus 5 times 12, so it's going to be minus 60x to the 6. And then minus 5 times 14 is going to be minus 70. So minus 70x to the 4. Okay, we're going to simplify the terms. So let's have a look what we have. So we have power 9. Power 9. So our derivative. So we've got 36 and 24. So this is going to be 60. 60x to the 9. Okay, what do we have? A power 7, so we have 84, and we have 28. So this is going to be 112 axis 7. So let's have a look at the next one, power 6. So we got negative 45 and negative 60. So this is going to be negative 105 x to the 6. And then finally we have x to the 4. So negative 105, negative 70. So this is going to be negative 175 x to the 4. And there is our final answer.